Hello my dear friends, how is your life? I hope your life is getting day by day better. You know what, today I came to buy a laptop. You know what, today why I'm going to buy a laptop for you? Because right now I want to do something different for you, and you know what, let's see how much the cost of the laptop, and let's first the pay and we will see the laptop. Okay, come here. So please show me your bill. Now bill. How much cost, sir?
Not sure. During the shopping is
Right, sir.
80%.
Alright, sir. No problem. First, I'm paying the money and we will see there. Here is my laptop. Okay, right? So let's. Alright, let's go to see the laptop. Okay, let's go. So let's see the laptop. This is okay, and will you please? You open. All right. So this is you know what, my third achievement, and it is for you. Okay, please. What is the weight of this laptop? 1.4 kg. Right. And let's see the performance after this sitting. Okay. First, you have to comment that how it's looking at. It's beautiful or not. It is for the office work and for the basic video editing and like Excel and MS Word and like this all you can work, right? And first office I have opened, and from this laptop I'll work. Okay. And sir, can you tell me that what will I get? Okay, he has gone. They don't know what I'm going to get. Look at it. How it is looking. Wow. What is the camera quality? First experience is the last experience. If today I'm buying this out, that is not enough. But it is the starting of my life. Okay. So you can see. Alright. Excuse me, what are you doing right now? Comment please and tell me that how is it? Right? Yes. You know what? There are many people who are watching to me, who are looking to me. They are thinking that what is he saying? Are you surprising? No. Can you speak like this? Okay, no problem. It's okay. Just a moment. It is taking time, right? Okay. And what will I take along with this? Let me ask. All right, my dear friends. Along with this laptop, they are giving us with this one mouse. It is the wireless mouse, and second this is bag which is I'm getting, and before after that I'm getting here the cleaning spray, and this is the cover of keyboard. Are you understanding? And this is the screen guard of laptop. So these all are getting with laptop, and you can understand if you buy one day, if your chance comes. So definitely you can get these all, and I want to tell you one thing. If you are feeling, if you are enjoying this video, just comment and subscribe out. And I want to request to you, if you want to join my classes, so you can contact us below the number. Thank you so much. Nice to meeting you. Thank you.